Now, we started small. I'd say next, let's go big, and not just a little bit big, but very, very big. So I don't know if you can see behind me, sort of hard to miss, we have Komatsu's PC4000E right there. And all the way up there, I believe, is Matthias. Your lights are so blinding, I can hardly see you. Good morning, Matthias. How are you? Matthias is waving the key, so why don't you put the key inside and start your engine, and he's going to show us a little bit of what he can do. What we have right here is a 400-ton mining excavator. It was developed in Düsseldorf. That's also where it's being manufactured. There you go. You got it in? Okay, so go for it. Show us what you can do. So right here at Bauma, we are showing you the electrically powered version, of which Komatsu already has sold 370 units worldwide. Together with its smaller as well as larger brothers, yes, there is larger versions of this, Komatsu has sold 1,700 large excavators to customers all around the world. Now, some of these machines, they were delivered as early as the 1980s. They are still up and running today, and they have operating hours amazing 170,000, and there is no stopping them. So we've gotten a couple of quick facts together for you that you might want to know. Now, I said there's a lot of power in this. How much power exactly? 7,200 volts are in action here. And if you would like to check out the power cable that we have in the back, it is gigantic. Also, in the back, we have a special entrance door through which you can be led in onto our little demo area here. So if you want to take a picture inside the bucket with, let's say, your 35 closest friends, you can do that, and I can guarantee we're going to put it down so you can just step in easily. You don't have to jump up to this height. Now, Matthias over here, he said to me, you know, I'd really like to drive this mining excavator to Bauma, you know, just drive it there in one piece, but we said it's just going to take too long. The top speed here is only 2.1 kilometers an hour. So we had to take it apart into 16 heavy-duty trucks and then reassemble it here, and I think they did a really good job. So with that, that was the PC4000.